Discover everything you need to know to launch and run a highly successful internet marketing campaign. If you're like most people, you likely spend time online every single day. In fact, the average adult spends over 20 hours online each week. That's a lot of time. But most importantly, that screams opportunity. Each month, there are billions of dollars in business being done online. If you've currently got a business or you're looking to start one, online is where it's at. The opportunity for getting traffic to your business online and making money is bigger than it has even been before. Here's why. With internet marketing, it's easy to target almost any group of people you want. This opens the doors for almost any kind of business. In short, internet marketing is for everyone out there. No matter what kind of business you're in, internet marketing will help you increase your brand visibility, grow your audience, and boost your profits. There are even businesses out there that wouldn't be in existence without internet marketing. Businesses that sell ebooks and information products thrive because of internet marketing. Internet marketing is so powerful because you can get in front of thousands, even millions of people extremely quickly. The traffic you get is targeted, comes quickly, is highly affordable, and easily converts into profits. So, if internet marketing is so great, why isn't everyone using it to drive traffic and make money? It's because most people just don't know how to get started with internet marketing and get results, even though it's pretty simple at the core. Paying attention to all of the details with internet marketing is the key to success. If you miss any of the details, you will struggle to get the results that you're looking for. A lot of people try to just figure it all out on their own or wing it when it comes to internet marketing. But what you really need is someone that knows what they're doing to show you exactly how it's all done if you want to have the best chance for success. And that's precisely what you're going to have the opportunity to get your hands on today. I know what it's like to be a beginner at internet marketing, and it can be a little scary. The internet is a big place, almost too big. It's hard to know where to start. Which is why I've created the ultimate guide to internet marketing. This guide will take you by the hand and show you how to go from where you are right now to getting great success with internet marketing. This was created with the brand new beginner marketers in mind, so you don't have to bring anything to the table. All you need is this guide and access to the internet to start getting results fast. Introducing the ultimate guide to internet marketing for total beginners. Inside you'll discover how to choose a niche and find your audience in the wide world of the internet. How to create a stunning website in no time, even if you have no technical skills to speak of right now. How to drive conversions on your website so that visitors will turn into customers. How to climb the ranks of Google using something called Smart SEO, or Search Engine Optimization. Why SEO is one of the most powerful methods for getting traffic online and why you should be focusing on it. How to provide value through a blog and become a thought leader in your industry. How to build and run a mailing list and why having a mailing list can be one of the most profitable things you ever do in your business. Why you should be focusing on social media and how to create a thriving and popular social media channel. How to write stunning articles and killer sales scripts in no time. The power of press releases and how to use them properly to get hordes of traffic from some of the biggest news sites online. How to create sales pages, video sales letters, and other tools to make you money in your business. How to work with other internet marketers to create win-win relationships. The exact steps to create your thriving online business, and a whole lot more. No stones are left unturned inside this step-by-step guide to internet marketing. This will show you the ropes to success online, even if you have no prior experience as an online marketer. You don't currently have a website. You don't have a list. You're not tech savvy. You've never advertised or made a penny online before. None of that matters. You'll get everything you need to get started getting traffic and growing your business online today. And the best part of this is you don't need a lot of money to do any of this. In fact, you can get started with little to no investment at all and begin getting results as soon as today. But the best part is the price. Although what you'll learn inside can easily give you the skills to generate thousands upon thousands of dollars in profits for your business, you won't pay anywhere near that today. For a very limited time, you can get access to this powerful guide to internet marketing for less than you'd spend on a night at the movies. To get started and lock in your special pricing, click the Add to Cart button below. And it gets even better. When you take action today, you'll get access to some extremely valuable fast action bonuses. Fast Action Bonus number 1 is a cheat sheet that breaks down the entire guide into some very easy to follow step-by-step processes. This cheat sheet makes it easy to stay focused and see success. Fast Action Bonus number 2 is a mind map that gives you an overview of every step you need to apply to see success. It's great for those people that need to see it all laid out in a visual format. Fast Action Bonus number 3 is a resource guide that conveniently lists all of the important tools and resources you need to get results with internet marketing. Fast Action Bonus number 4 is an internet marketing infographic that makes it easy to quickly look at an illustrated guide to stay focused and on task. But you don't have to make a decision today. You get a full 30 days to test drive the course and make sure this is for you. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with this powerful guide to internet marketing, simply let us know and we'll promptly refund your tiny investment. But please don't delay. If you come back tomorrow, the price on this may be higher or this guide may not even be available. If you're ready to learn how to start getting traffic and marketing online and getting big results fast, click the button below to get instant access and get started today.